Deandre Ayton is a Bahamian professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. On July 6, 2025, Ayton signed with the Los Angeles Lakers. The Athletic reported that the deal is for 2 years and $16.6 million with a player option for the second season, according to league sources. On June 29, 2025, the Trail Blazers and Ayton reached a buyout agreement, making him a free agent. According to Jason Quick of The Athletic, behind the scenes, the Blazers had grown tired of Ayton's bad habits. Ayton was reportedly late to practices and flights and would skip rehab appointments. On September 27, 2023, Ayton, Tomani Camara, and a 29 first-round draft pick were traded to the Portland Trail Blazers alongside Drew Holiday as part of a three-team trade that sent Damian Lillard to the Milwaukee Bucks and Grayson Allen, Jusuf Nurkic, Nasir Little, and Keon Johnson to the Phoenix Suns. On October 30, Ayton recorded 10 points and a career-high 23 rebounds in a 99-91 win over the Toronto Raptors. On January 17, 2024, he missed a game against the Brooklyn Nets due to icy conditions in his neighborhood, preventing him from being able to travel to the Moda Center. Despite his absence, Portland defeated Brooklyn 105-103. On February 4, 2023, Ayton tied his season high with 31 points on 13 of 15 shooting from the field and grabbed 16 rebounds in a 116-110 win over the Detroit Pistons. In the next game, Ayton tied his career high with 35 points on 14 of 18 shooting from the field and grabbed 15 rebounds, including a clutch game-clinching rebound and 2 game-clinching free throws in a 116-112 win over the Brooklyn Nets. On March 23, 2022, Ayton scored a career-high 35 points on 15 of 24 shooting from the field and grabbed 14 rebounds in a 125-116 win over the Minnesota Timberwolves. Ayton and the Suns finished the regular season with the league's best overall record at 64-18. On April 22, Ayton scored a playoff career-high 28 points, grabbed 17 rebounds, and tied his playoff career-high with 3 steals in a 114-111 Game 3 win against the New Orleans Pelicans in the first round of the playoffs. On May 2, in Game 1 of the Western Conference semifinals, Ayton logged 25 points and 8 rebounds in a 121-114 win over the Dallas Mavericks. The Suns jumped to a 2-0 lead in the series before losing in 7 games. Ayton signed a 2-year, $16.6 million contract with the Lakers on July 6, 2025, including a player option for the second year. In the 2025-26 season, he has averaged 15.5 points, 8.4 rebounds, and 0.9 assists per game. As of November 29, 2025, he is listed as probable for the Lakers game against the Dallas Mavericks due to a right knee contusion, but is expected to return without restrictions.